Today, we're diving into UltraViewer, a remote desktop tool that's been gaining traction as an alternative to TeamViewer. But is it really worth your time? Let's break down what it offers, where it shines, and where it may fall short. UltraViewer is designed to help users connect to remote computers easily, allowing for file transfers, remote support, and collaboration. The interface is pretty straightforward, making it user-friendly, especially for those who might not be tech-savvy. You can quickly set up a remote session by sharing a unique ID and password, which is a nice touch for simplicity. What stands out immediately is its emphasis on speed. Users often report that connections are established quickly, which is crucial for remote support scenarios. However, the documentation on their website could use some improvement. It's not always clear how to navigate some of the more advanced features, and I found myself wishing for more detailed guides or FAQs. The intended audience seems to be small businesses or individuals who need straightforward remote access without the complexity that sometimes comes with bigger platforms like TeamViewer. But if you're looking for more robust features or integrations, you might find UltraViewer lacking. When it comes to strengths, UltraViewer is definitely competitive on price. It's often more affordable than TeamViewer, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. The ease of setup and connection speed are also big pluses, especially for quick remote support tasks. On the flip side, there are some notable downsides. For one, the lack of comprehensive documentation can be frustrating, especially if you hit a snag. Additionally, while it handles basic tasks well, it may not have the advanced functionalities that larger teams or enterprises require. There are also concerns about security, as the reliance on ID and password sharing can feel a bit risky without additional layers of protection. Overall, UltraViewer might not be suitable for larger organizations needing extensive features, but it could work well for freelancers or small teams. In summary, UltraViewer is a solid choice for individuals or small businesses looking for a straightforward, cost-effective remote access tool. However, if you need advanced features or a more comprehensive support system, you might want to stick with TeamViewer or explore other options. It's worth trying out, but make sure it aligns with your specific needs.